Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Craft Arts. Hope you all are doing good and today we'll paint this beautiful landscape. So let's get started. First I have weight the paper and if you are new to my channel then let me tell you again, we are painting on weight and weight technique. So in this process you have to weight the paper before applying the colors. And I've already mentioned name of the colors so it will be easy for you guys. Make sure your brush is loaded with sufficient colors and less water because you know that our paper is already wet, and if we will add lots of water, it will be damn difficult for us to control the colors, and we don't want that to happen. Here I'm using Camel Artist Watercolor and Bush Rose Mop brushes. I'll share the link in my description below. If you want to buy the products, you can directly go through the link. Today we are doing the sky with a two-layer technique. So this is the first layer we are doing right now. You can also paint with a single layer, but I wanted my colors, my pigment a little darker, so I choose two-layer technique. After the first layer, let the colors dry completely, then we will do the second layer. In the same way, wet the paper with some water and start applying your second coat. This time you have to merge your colors really well because this is the final layer you are doing, and you need to take stress about your merging because it will come beautifully. It will looks like the aurora effect, so don't take much stress. Try to control the water in your brush. That is most important thing in watercolor paintings. Generally landscape paintings take long time, so I have decided to divide this video into two parts. This is the first part of the video. The mountains and the tree portion we'll see in the next video, that is the part 2 of this video. And after the second layer also, you have to make sure your paint is completely dry and I'm using a blow dryer, not always but generally to fasten the process. I use a blow dryer to dry it quickly, and this is really helpful. I'll post my next video on coming Sunday. Till then, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye.